Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
audible, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
I think you have already attended surface hydrology classes earlier. How many classes are over? Two, I think. So, do you have the syllabus of surface hydrology? Syllabus is discussed or not? Syllabus of surface hydrology class is discussed, I think, isn't it?
No, ma'am.
Not discussed. Okay, so just let me discuss the syllabus first. So surface hydrology, it is a elective subject and credit is three. Okay, and there is no practical classes on this subject. So in 7th sem, you have not any. Actually, in 7th sem, you have not any that one. Any laboratory. Okay, so basically you have project in 7 sem and both in 8 sem. So basically surface hydrology deals in the it deals in that it is applied in the application of water resource management and estimation. Okay, so this subject aims at the making of, let me annotate. This subject makes the students aimed at making the students to understand the relevance of various components of hydrological cycle, which are responsible for spatial and temporal distribution of water availability in any region. Okay. So after successful completion of the subject, the outcomes will be you will have to learn about procedure for analysis of various meteorological. So basically, it is a water related subject. Okay. Uh, Obtain a computer knowledge of hydrologic cycle, hydrometeorology information of precipitation. Various methods of rainwater runoff harvesting, how rainwater and runoff can be harvested. Okay. And then apply the knowledge of soil erosion and sedimentation to estimate the life of the reservoir. Apply the various methods of field measurements and empirical formulas for estimating the various losses of precipitation, stream flow, and runoff. So your first chapter is about hydrometeorology. Okay, hydrometeorology. So it have hydrological cycle, global water budget, practical application, hydrometeorology. What happened? Hydrometeorology constituent of atmosphere, vertical structure of the atmosphere, general circulation, air mass, air front cycles, formation of precipitation, types and forms of precipitation, climate and weather meteorological observation. And second model, it has it it is deals with the precipitation. All you know, we have various precipitation in the form of rain, or it may be hails, it may be storms, it may be dew drops, isn't it? So this precipitation can be measured by different rain gauges, radar management, rainfall hydrograph, intensity duration, frequency analysis, missing data, rain gauge, rain gauge network, average depth of rainfall analysis. And module 3, it has abstraction, water losses, initial losses, interception, depression, storage, evaporation, evaporimeters, and estimation of evaporation, evapotranspiration. So this part I will take your this part from evapotranspiration to runoff. Okay, this part I will take, and this part will take by Gayatri ma'am. Okay, so basically I will take this part. Okay, from evapotranspiration, field measurement, empirical equation, infiltration, infiltrometers, infiltration equation, and infiltration indices. Okay, and after that we have stream flow measurement, stays, and then runoff and water conservation. How water can be conserved in urban areas, rural areas. Okay, what is unit hydrograph? What is synthetic unit hydrograph? Runoff estimation, and books for this subject. Books for the subject, you can follow this book, Applied Hydrology by V.T. Chow. Okay, this is very good book. Very, very good book. Okay, about applied hydrology. Then we have Subramanya, K. Subramanya, hydrology. Then hydrology and water resource engineering by K. C. Patra. Hydrology by Jayaram Reddy. Okay, and water resource engineering by Larry W. Marys. That is a Wiley publication. Foreign. So these are the books you can follow for hydrology. Okay, so let us discuss unit number 3. Where is the about inspiration part? I cannot find. Okay. So all of you, I think you have know what is hydrological cycle. Do you know what is hydrological cycle? So hydrological cycle is basically a balanced cycle of environment. Okay, like suppose there are rainfall. After rainfall, it will flow through the groundwater or some part of the rainfall flows as a surface runoff. Okay, that means some part of the rainfall will go flow to the groundwater and some part cannot enter in the groundwater. Okay, then that part will flow as a surface flow. And from the groundwater, from the surface water, it will flow to the somewhere like basins, like rivers, streams, isn't it? So from river and streams, again, water is evaporated, isn't it? From the river streams, from which is the water from the river streams, which is due to the rainfall. Again, evaporates in the c- clouds, isn't it? And it forms clouds. Again, precipitation occurs. So this is the hydrological cycle, the balance cycle. Okay. So in that hydrological cycle, we have one term that is your evapotranspiration. Okay. So what is evapotranspiration actually? What is evapotranspiration actually? Okay, let me. What is evapotranspiration actually? Let me get one. Evapotranspiration means it is collectively known as transpiration and evaporation. Okay, evapotranspiration, that is togetherly formed by transpiration and evaporation. So, what is transpiration? Transpiration of is a process where the that is the process of trees, the green plants, okay, and gases, togetherly known as transpiration and evaporation. Suppose there is a heavy rainfall, then some part of water will flow to the groundwater, isn't it? And some part will flow to the surface. That is your surface flow. So from the surface flow, it will evaporate, isn't it? Again, it will form clouds, and again, it will the clouds will uh, the clouds will form again rain, isn't it? So that is the hydrological cycle. And transpiration is together plus evaporation togetherly form form evapotranspiration. Okay. Are you able to hear me? So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is transpiration? That is the process of water passing out from the surface of the plant or leaves. And evaporation is that is the removal of water from the surface water, togetherly known as evapotranspiration. Is it okay? So that is your evapotranspiration. Evaporation plus transpiration, and transpiration is done by plant. Transpiration is done by plant. That means removing the water from plant is known as transpiration. So evaporation, what is evaporation? Evaporation uh, is the process whereby liquid water is converted to water vapor and removed from the. Are you able to hear me? And so evaporation is the process of liquid water where liquid water is converted to water vapor and removed from the supporting subsurface. Okay. So you are not able to hear or what? Now my voice is audible? Okay. Actually, network is not good here in downtown. That's why. Okay, so I will take the next class after 5 minutes. Okay.